Alimony exists in order to provide some source of support to the spouse who has less earning capability. There are different kinds of alimony. In Alabama, you are only eligible for what is called permanent alimony if you've been married for 20 years or more. Even if you receive permanent alimony, it may not actually be permanent. If you are the recipient of alimony and you get remarried, then the alimony is going to stop. Same if you live with a person with whom you're romantically involved. If either party dies, alimony stops and you can't make a claim against the estate. If you've been married for under 20 years and one spouse earns significantly more than the other, then you can get rehabilitative alimony. And that's exactly what it sounds like. It is meant to rehabilitate the spouse who earns less money or has less ability to support themselves. But it's temporary in nature. It can be 1 year. It can be up to the length of the marriage, depending on the circumstances. It's usually not going to be the entire length of the marriage if you've been married less than 20 years. That would be unusual. The point of rehabilitative alimony is to help you as the non-moneyed spouse figure out how you're going to get back on your feet, to level somewhat your lifestyle with the spouse who you're divorcing, and make sure that if you haven't been in the workforce for many, many years, you're not left with no means to support yourself at all. What we try to do immediately is help you figure out what are your needs going to be after you're no longer living in the marital home, because it's always going to be more expensive to have two separate homes than one home when you were living together. So it's never going to look exactly the same, but we want it to be as comparable for as long as it takes for you to get on your feet.